Spice goes Christian Dior shopping.
So yeah, I'm definitely getting these on the glasses.
Yeah.
So let me see the scarf.
See that though.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people may have a video with Spice. It look like Spice I get ready for go on vacation from what she has said in the video. Now, we know last year she got Mexico, but this year she not tell her where she go. So she asked in the video, I say, if we can guess where she go. But before she go on vacation, you know, so she have to get all the necessary items to go, right? And that include the outfit them. So she went shopping at the Christian Dior store. We don't know if she go other places, but she just video that one year, right? And people, she drop a ban from what she has saying in the video, and one of the item them you can see the price tag, and that are just one item alone. We are talking about, you know what I mean, a whole heap of money. You see what I mean? So you know it's a Christian Dior and come cheap. But she work hard and she have to enjoy herself. So I'm going to show another video them where she posts. So take a look at this. Here goes.
This is the size. You want to bring it upstairs and let her try it? If you're going to try on clothes?
No, this can't fit me. I can't, but it look big though.
Spice, I'm trying to tell you. Your butt is going to
Sorry.
I got you.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm definitely getting these on the glasses.
Yeah.
So let me see the scarf.
See that though.
Yeah. No, I'm not telling lies. That's on the extra. You have to put it in one box.
It's right here
One little
in
piece
your
of
closet.
scarf.
Yes.
But then it's like a big scarf.
Yeah, when you come home from your vacation, I want it back in the box.
She said it's Dior, baby.
I want it back in the box.
I'm gonna get them nice boxes for grass and noir.
Yeah.
I gotta get these nice boxes for grass and noir.
Put your sticker on there. No, she's looking at the whole.
I look on the old packaging because packaging says a lot.
Yeah.
Because one little piece of cloth I buy for so much money, I must do the box and I pay for the little sticker, the packaging, you know?
And the ribbon.
And the ribbon. Oh!
With
Yeah, people. So we have to understand, say, a whole heap of things are going for Spice this time of year. Our birthday a come up, our album a drop on our birthday. So we know, say, probably it's just an all-in-one celebration. So me a preet, and I say, maybe she a go up on vacation while all of that happen. You see what I say? Or maybe before and she reach back in time for the album. Maybe she a go keep a party. We know how she do things already. When she did launch the first song, not the first song, that was the second song, because Friends was the first song. So me I talk about Go Down There, which was the second song. She had a release party, right? So more than likely she probably have a release party for the album. So, and who knows, maybe it could be a release party and birthday celebration in one. So maybe she go up on vacation and come back, or maybe she keep the party before and then she go up on vacation and dip on vacation for your birthday. We don't know exactly, but me just say it can go either one of them way they will me bring up. You see what I say? So want to tell me what you think down in the comment section about that. I want to think if we can take a guess where Spice me I go for vacation. She bought a scarf, maybe she not gonna use it right now, or maybe she is, we don't know. You see what I say? It's somewhere in most countries right now, but maybe there's other places where there's different seasons right now. We don't know if no snow or no coldness in a nowhere, but maybe me just you know what I mean, nothing now come to mind right now. But we just ask that because she asked it. She said if we can guess where she a go, right? But people, did you see that price tag on one of those items? You see what I say? When if you don't see it, you know, go back and watch the video and take a look at it. And I think that's in US dollars because obviously she's in the States, judging from the accent of the people and what she had talked to. All right, so people, big up the queen one more time. We love to see that. Like me say, she work hard, so I don't know if she play hard. Now, I have another thing for sure, no people. Now, the one I really on the flip side, I want to go on with Spice. You see, we don't really want to stir up nothing, but it out there, the man say what him say, and we are going to show you what him say. All right, so this is what Spice BabyFather posts on Theme page. And him say, manipulating a child to hate their father or mother is one of the most despicable things a human being can do. And then down in the caption he said, children will become adults and make their own judgment of any situation. The manipulating parents will be sorry, very sorry. God is in control. I let him work. Hashtag I am Nicholas Lal. Hashtag and me still a win. Now people, a long time when I hear the boss say nothing, you see what me I say, but him talk today. Now for me, you know what I mean, I don't know. Spice probably gonna answer to this sometime soon. You don't know how the thing go. Or maybe not. Maybe she mature and move on. You see what me I say? She have other things going for her. She's in a whole new relationship. Maybe she not go deal with it like how she usually deal with it. You see what me I say? We don't know. But people, is it me alone or is it that just when it a come round to them time of area, we always see, you know what I mean? We always see this kind of thing. You see what I mean? I say back to school so forward, maybe Spice come out and blast him, maybe not. But people, it's just what it is. It's not like me I try to make up nothing upon them. Last year, we know it go. You know what I mean? It's not like them I keep it secret and I hide and I text privately. This was posted on Instagram. So pretty much anybody can see it will follow him. And if not, you know what I mean, people even screenshot it and repost it elsewhere. So depending on who you follow and where you follow, you might see it as well. Now people more that just hope say them can get along for the kids them and everything. Me just want to say a good vibes. You see what I mean I say? Because we know how the things stay and how the things set, and we just hope say one of them just, you know, decide say them are going to just take a different route with it. Not to get personal with them business, but we don't understand what I say. Because me I'm all about peace, you see me? But people, we're going to just leave it there. So I want to tell you what you think down in the comment section. You know what I mean? Take a shot at where you think Spice are go on vacation, or you think she are going to do it. If it was you do it. Birthday album, you know what I mean? A lot of moving parts are going. So where you think she are going to go on with this year? Where she are go? Other than that, people, that's it. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, want to big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.